In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPad. I mean how to switch off any iPad. I'm going to show you the 4 ways to do that. So don't skip any part. Watch this video till end. First way, just open the settings app and then open general and scroll down to the end. Then at the bottom you can see this option shutdown. Just click that. Now you can see slide to power off. If you slide like this, then your iPad will be turned off. Second way, use your volume up button and touch ID at the same time, just like that. Now you can see the power off option. Third way, just click the volume down button and touch ID at the same time. Yeah, now you can see the slide to power off option. Then finally, fourth way, just ask Siri, "Hey Siri, turn off the iPad."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Just tap power off. That's it. It's powered off. And these are the 4 ways to turn off your iPad. And if you want to turn off your iPad or iPhone without buttons or touchscreen means, watch this video.